Hi everyone, it's Teacher Caitlin. Today we are going to read Autumn Leaves by Ken Robbins. If you have a copy of Autumn Leaves, go get it now and you can hit pause and we will wait until you get back to start our story. Otherwise, just hold on a second for our friends and we will start reading in 1 second. Autumn is a time to look closely at leaves. In spring and summer, the leaves on most trees are green, but in autumn, those green leaves turn different colors and fall to the ground. Some leaves just dry up and turn dull brown, while others turn colors that are brilliant and bold: orange, yellow, red, purple, and gold, painting the landscape and changing world. The leaves of most trees are flat and thin. Most are connected to the tree by a stem. All leaves have veins. The veins of some leaves are quite easy to see. Some leaves are shiny, some are dull. Some have shapes that are simple, some have shapes that are not. Sometimes lots of leaflets make up a leaf. Some are big, some are small. Some are narrow, some are wide. Some leaves are not the same on their right and left sides. Others have edges that are jagged or edges that are smooth. Leaves are different on each different tree. Look at them carefully and see what you see. Smoke tree. The smoke tree's leaves are shaped like paddles. The stalks of its flowers are so thin and fine that from a distance they look like smoke. Birch. The bark of the gray birch is white and smooth and shines like silver when it catches the light. Birch leaves have jagged edges. Ginkgo. Ginkgo trees grew in prehistoric times. Dinosaurs once ate their fan-shaped leaves. Linden. The leaves of the linden tree are rather large and shaped like hearts. Sassafras. Several different shapes of leaves can grow on the branches of one sassafras tree. Some even look like mittens. Sweet gum. The leaves of the sweet gum tree are almost always shaped like stars. Hickory. There are compound leaves on the hickory tree. 5 leaflets or more make up the leaf. Red oak. Red oak trees have pointed leaves. Oak trees come in many different forms, but they all make acorns in the fall. Fern leaf beech. The fern leaf beech has smooth, gray bark. Its leaves, when they're dry, look like question marks. Cherry. Cherries are the fruit of the cherry tree. Some are sour, some are sweet. Cherry tree leaves are shinier on one side than they are on the other. Dogwood. The dogwood tree has beautiful flowers in the early spring. The pretty dogwood leaves are like ovals with points. Yellow poplar. The yellow poplar is also called the tulip tree. The leaves look a little like a tulip flower. Maple. Maple trees often have the brightest and most colorful leaves of all the trees in the fall. Green leaves make food out of something as slight as carbon dioxide and water and light. Green leaves make a kind of sugar to help trees grow. It's made from water and light and a part of the air called carbon dioxide. There's a proper word for this: photosynthesis. There are special scientific words for the chemicals that give leaves their color. It's chlorophyll. That makes them green. The yellow is from xanthophyll. The orange is carotene. The reds and purples are anthocyanin, and brown is the result of something called tannin. When photosynthesis stops in fall, the green part of the leaves dries up and dies. Then we start to see the amazing colors, the yellows and golds, that were there all the time. And sometimes a bit of sugar gets left in the leaf when it dies. That turns the leaf purple or red for a while. Sooner or later, all those colors fade to brown. Eventually, the base of the stem, where the leaf is attached to the tree, grows brittle. Then, when the wind blows even a little, the leaf breaks off and flutters through the air to the ground. And before you know it, all the leaves are down and the tree is bare. The end. Thank you for reading Autumn Leaves with me today. I hope you enjoyed our story, And please join me tomorrow for another story about fall. If you live in Pittsburgh, Literacy Pittsburgh offers reading, writing, math, GED preparation, ESL, family literacy, and citizenship classes. Feel free to give us a call or send an email for more information.